In this video, you will learn how to delete phone number on Discord. Many people add their phone numbers for extra security or to recover their accounts. However, you might want to remove it for privacy reasons. It's easy to do, and I will guide you step by step. First things first, locate and open the Discord mobile app on your device. Once you're in the app, tap on the arrow button located at the top left corner of your screen. Next, tap on the U button, found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you're on your profile page, tap on the gear icon, located at the top right corner. In the Settings menu, tap Account. Here you'll see a variety of details about your account, including your username, display name, email address, and phone number. Before proceeding with removing your phone number, ensure that you've already added an email address associated with your Discord account. Once confirmed that an email is linked, tap on Phone. This section displays the current phone number associated with your Discord account. To proceed with deleting it, simply tap on the Remove Phone Number button. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. For security reasons, you'll be required to enter your password. After entering your password correctly, tap Done to finalize removing your phone number from Discord. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your phone number from Discord. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.